I'm tired of people selling you that 10k per month dream. Let me tell you why. You know, if you are on the internet and if you're like doing all these online jobs and all these things, right? What you will see is people there are they are selling you all this 10k per month dreams on a daily basis. Like go on your YouTube and you'll see like people are showing you the dream, like you can build a 10k per month business by just doing copywriting. They're showing you all the crazy stuff like villas, cars, and the lifestyle that they live. That is something that is they promise that you can also get just by hitting 10k per month. And man, I'm tired of it. Like I'm literally tired of it. I see people, they're making these kind of videos, they're scamming people to make them believe like 10k per month is the only thing that you need to hit to live this goal or to live this life, right? And I'm tired of it because I also used to sold that lifestyle or that dream, and I feel, and it is my opinion, right? It can vary, but I feel I got scammed. Why? I do believe like you do not have to hit 10k per month to live a good lifestyle. Let me tell you my story first, right? So, after I landed my first client in 2023, what happened is I got tired. Like I got tired of the money I was making, so I wanted more because I was sold that 10k per month dream. So I wanted to hit 10k per month as soon as possible because I believed at that time I need to make that much money to get that lifestyle, to get that freedom, to get that the cars they are buying and all those things, right? So what happened is like once I landed my first client, I went for landing more and more clients. In my mind, I had this thing is each and every client I close, I'll every time I like close a client, I'll go for the next one and the next one and the next one, and it kept on happening, right? And just by doing that, in 7 months, I went from 300 per month to directly 8k per month, right? And man, oh man, I was super burned out at that time. Why? I was doing client work, I was doing all the fulfillment, I was also outreaching, I was like writing for all the 5 clients that I had at the time, and that was super tiring. I got burned out, and then we know what happened. I ended up quitting like literally everything. I literally let go of all the clients I had at the time, right? And that made me realize that I got scammed, right? That made me realize that I got scammed because for all this time I thought you need to make 10k per month to be happy. But then what happened once I dropped those clients and got clients that allowed me to live a free life, right? And then make enough money to afford the lifestyle that I always wanted. I realized that that much money is more than enough, right, to live the life that I always dreamed of, right? And let me tell you the number also. So that number is 5k per month. I just, because see, I'm from India, and if I'm making 5k per month, I'm more than happy because that is like a huge amount here in India. If I make that much money, I'll be in the top 1% in India, right? So that is like my freedom number. Now this number can vary from person to person, right? So what I'll suggest is instead of like uh, following that 10k per month dream, or instead of like getting scammed by those gurus that you need 10k per month to live a happy lifestyle or to live a freely, instead of chasing that, set a number that you believe will fulfill you, that you believe will give you the life you always wanted, and that you believe will give you the freedom that you always craved of. If you hit that number, it is more than enough for you. So set that thing in your mind. Now the number can vary. It 5k for me, it can be 50k for you, right? Because let's say you are from New York, bro. If you make 10k per month, you are middle class, or maybe lower middle class. I do not have enough idea, but you are surely like in the middle class, right? But you make 10K per month here in India, you will be in the top 0.1%. So that's the difference. So depending on where you live, you have to set your number. Like if I hit XYZ number, I'll be free and I'll be happy with the work, like everything, right? So set that thing in your mind. Do not get scammed by people saying you need to make 10K per month to live a happy lifestyle, to visit the world, to travel the world. That's not the reality. So instead of doing that, instead of getting sold that dream, set your number, follow that dream, and crush your goals, bro. It is as simple as that, right? So yeah, I mean, that is it for this video. If you like this one, uh, do like this video, share share this video with a friend, right? Who you think need this video to watch, right? And if you like go to my other videos, and if you like my content, I will really appreciate if you subscribe, right? So yeah, I mean, that is it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.